ABCs?
Yeah, that will make Josie happy and not cry.
She sings ABCs in the car so Josie doesn't cry. Craig's getting his very first package from his P.O. box.
Wow, my first package.
Let's see what's in it.
There's toys.
Okay, put them on the table. Who are they?
They're from Inside Out and The Mandalorian.
Now, what are these?
Two of your favorites.
We got pins of Inside Out and the Muppets. Of Disney World. Boy, a pencil. And a postcard that says, "Hello, Craig and family. That's me. I have loved watching your YouTube channel. Thank you for making it. I'm sending a bag of pins so you can try pin training. I love all things Disney. I hope you have a great time in Florida. Love, Lauren Ellie."
That was very nice. What else?
Stickers. Oh boy, stickers.
We can use those when we make our next countdown.
Yep. And maps. Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs,
Livy, okay.
Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. Oh, thank you, Lauren.
See all these nice things that she sent us?
Yep.
She knows just what you like, doesn't she? Which is your favorite pin?
This one, Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, Winnie the Pooh?
Yep.
He's cute.
Yep.
I think they're all really cute. And these little, what are those called, Craig?
Zoom zooms.
Zoom zooms. It's very nice. What do you want to eat, Livy?
French fries.
Okay. What do you want, Craig?
Oh. The bacon pounder.
Okay.
No rabbit food, right?
Right. No
And
rabbit
a
food.
Side of fries.
Okay. How's your sandwich, Craig?
Burger, you mean?
How's your burger?
Tastes delicious.
How's your fries, Livy? Delicious or good?
Delicious and good.
Oh, delicious and good.
Donations.
You know what? That's for, it's for the Ronald McDonald House.
Yeah, donations.
Was that so much fun?
Right.
When that is over, we go home. Don't go to Disney. On toys. Do they have rocking chairs? Do they have rocking horses and rocking chairs?
I don't know. They have a carousel where you can ride a horsey.
Today.
Please, will you come to Disney?
Why, sure, Livy.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Where are we going?
She thinks today's the day we're going to Disney for some reason.
Where are you taking me?
It's a good question.
Oh, is she taking me to Disney?
I don't think so. She just thinks she is. Well, we just can't because we don't have airplane tickets for today.
Believe me, Livy.